Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Fabulous App Easy Guide. Tap Create or Sign In, then choose a goal like better sleep or focus and accept simple prompts. Use suggested habits or customize your own by adding times, reminders, and rewards. Start with one tiny habit, check daily streaks, and adjust difficulty as you improve to keep motivation high and consistent. Choose a clear habit and link it to something you already do, like brushing teeth or making coffee. Break the habit into tiny steps and set reminders at realistic times. Use the app's templates for sleep, exercise, or focus, then personalize durations and prompts. Track your streaks and celebrate small wins to build momentum without overwhelm so the habit becomes automatic over time. Keep motivation high by checking your streaks and weekly progress visuals every few days. Add small rewards for milestones and enjoy the app's encouraging messages when you hit targets. If you need extra support, join community challenges or invite a friend to build mutual accountability. Regularly review and simplify habits so you avoid burnout while steadily improving your routines for lasting success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.